You know you got me wild, you got me feeling like, oh, she make me feel alive, make me feel alive, she make me feel alright, she makes me, she make me feel alive, make me feel alive. Till you come back home, until you come back home, until you come back home, till you come back home.
Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. It's raining like hell here on the large loss site I'm on today. Really putting the finishing touches on it. We're doing some video work and managed to take a dive off the boosted board and crack the screen on one of my best cameras. Just kind of goes with the territory, you know. But anyway, here's the thing that is like super important about us getting rain right this moment. Now the idea would be, hey, we'll just leave, right? Go get lunch, let's go, hang out, let's go blow it off for the day, we'll come back tomorrow. But there's one problem with that. You're looking at me with unfiltered camera right now. I don't have any ND filter on it. I don't have anything deafening it. I don't have a strange ISO. I don't have a strange speed. I mean, nothing about this. This is just easy peasy, straight up. Okay? This is like low light, like almost like golden hour. Okay? The golden hour is just before sunset, and just after, and just before sunset and sundown. So, at any rate. So what this is going to do for me, if the autofocus will start working again, what this is going to do for me is the moment this rain ends, I'm going to be able to get this low light kind of maintaining, and I'm going to get the drone in the air, get the nice cinematic look with the low light conditions. Anytime you can get lower light conditions, the quality of what you get will go so high up when it comes to doing large loss work in the field, really any work in the field. Most people don't like you showing up on their property at 6:30 in the morning, but that's the time to go if you really want to see exterior damage. Or being there just before dark. That's the time to go to really see damages. And I know that seems weird, but it is the way we do it. If you look at this from a photography standpoint, which essentially what we are when we're in the field, we are professional photographers. There's no real other real good term for it. We just happen to be professional photographers who also do insurance claims. We shoot something that we call butter. And that means that we got perfect light, perfect stabilization, and perfect view of the damage. And there's no time we can get it better than right after this rain quits if we want to get it in the middle of the day. And it did cool it down, which is a lot better. So you can't see it, but there's equipment everywhere here. And some of it's getting wet. Okay. So, at any rate, just before I go, let me cover that with you since we were talking about filters. So a few minutes ago, before we had this going on, when we had kind of a highlight situation because I couldn't be here really, really early. Can you see that? This is called a variable ND filter. Now watch this as I turn this. As I turn this. One of these. Can you see that? Do you see how much darker it got? So you can not really see me. And then you can see all the way through it. See? That's called a variable ND filter. So that's like fully filtered. And this is like almost nothing. But you can put one of these on your drone, one of these on your camera, one of these on, you can even put this on your freaking iPhone if you get the right one. But it'll take all of that light that keeps all of the reflection happening on everything. And it will just kill the light as best it can. Not quite as good as low light, but pretty darn close. You should never be shooting your phone, your camera, or anything else in wide open light without an ND filter. It saves you every time. Now, wait a minute. I'm talking about video here. I'm not talking about pictures. Pictures have slightly different rules, and they can't overcome it. I still keep this on here when we're shooting pictures, but it's not as necessary because a picture can throttle up and throttle down a whole lot different, while the camera doesn't have unlimited views. Later on, we're going to talk about dynamic range and things like that. But for now, the rain could be breaking. I'm setting up. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, pass it around. Look at the other stuff I didn't share with a lot of other people because I didn't think it was good enough.